It is the view of Region 7 Cayuni Mazaruni Vice Chairman Kamal Prasad that the current curfew should be reverted to 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. According to Prasad, residents, health officials, and community leaders in the region are extremely concerned and are agitating for stricter measures to be implemented to stem COVID-19 spread in the region. Infections have been continuously climbing in Region 7, prompting the National COVID-19 Task Force in its gazetted measures released on Monday to restrict non-essential travel in or out of Region 7 during the period of December 1 to December 31, 2020. As of Thursday, the region has a total of 471 cases, of which 64 are active. There has been 396 recoveries so far and 11 deaths. Bartica remains the COVID-19 hotspot in the region. Prasad told Nightly News that as the region saw the cases rising, they requested a reversal of the curfew, but this call fell on deaf ears. This rebuff, she believes, aided in the spike of new infections.
Although we would want to still have the merriment and the festive season, we would want to ensure that persons adhere to the health and safety protocols, the measures in place to stop the spread. Hence the call to have the 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew reintroduced.
Speaking to government's decision to impose a travel restriction on non-essential workers to the region, the vice chairman described the move as helpful but insufficient, noting that a large section of the populace falls under the essential workers category, and as such, a steady influx of persons will be still traveling to the region.
Because of the broad coverage for essential, what I would have recognized over the past couple of days, that there is still an influx of traveling. Traveling still seems to be maybe not on a large scale as normal. It would have decreased to some extent, but there is still traveling in and out of the township.
Meanwhile, Prasad opined that there is still a large number of cases not being registered in the national data. She explained that many persons in the region exhibiting symptoms have opted to self-isolate without getting tested. Prasad noted that monitoring and enforcement of the gazetted measure remains a major issue for regional officials.
Persons are just going about their activities in a little more carefree manner. So that is why I say enforcement still seems to pose a bit of a challenge. I believe that when we were in the 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew, our number was obviously very, very low, which means that it was effective.
For the HGP Nightly News, Amel Griffith.